Banding kami ni Dada dito. Si Sten lumapit. Kanina sabi niya, "Are you having a couple?"
Couple time.
Couple time. Couple time ni Dada. Sila, banding sila doon. Tapos binigay sa akin ni Sten. Sabi niya, "Will you marry me?" Dada, give mo sa akin.
Happy.
Happy. I'm happy. Happy birthday. Sweet mo naman.
I'm full.
Walang tao dito sa park. Lahat nasa mall. Nag-uubos ng pera. Kami wala kaming ubusin. Tapos.
There's the other part. There's the like this.
Ano ba ka naitapon ko?
Maybe